Here we have the LDV Deliver 9. This van is fitted with our carrier Transicold Citimax 280. This is a road-only operated refrigeration unit. Citimax comes standard with freezer specification gas as well as hot gas defrost. Citimax also comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty, for better peace of mind. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.